Despite lacking the prestige of BMW, Genesis, and Volvo, the 2025 Toyota Crown sedan sets itself apart with its distinctive tall design and elevated suspension, catching the eye of discerning car shoppers. Adding to its allure, the 2025 lineup introduces the sleek nightshade trim, featuring sleek black accents in place of the traditional chrome exterior elements. Starting at $42,535 and ranging up to $56,085 depending on trim and options, the 2025 Toyota Crown offers a hybrid powertrain across all models. However, it's the top-tier Platinum variant that boasts Toyota's Hybrid Max configuration, coupling a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder with an electric motor on the rear axle, generating a robust 340 horsepower. In terms of performance, the base powertrain delivers adequate acceleration, clocking in at 7.2 seconds for a 0-60 mph sprint in our test track. Meanwhile, the Platinum trim, equipped with the enhanced setup, exhibits noticeably brisker acceleration, achieving a swift 5.1-second dash to 60 mph.